Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your username in Facebook application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments. And let's get started. Open the Facebook application on your device. And then go to the menu section. Click on the gear in the top right-hand corner. After which you will need to go to the Meta Account Center. And next, select your profile. Now select your Facebook page. Next, select your username. And this is where you will be able to change your username. Once you've made all the necessary changes, click Done. And then at the bottom also click Done in order to save the changes to Facebook. This is the very quick and easy way, friends, you will be able to change the search name in Facebook app. I really hope this video has helped you and was helpful to you. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, write comments and make sure to put your likes. See you soon.